my name is Zachary White, and I may seem like an old pet, but I'm no ordinary. What's that? Can you hear my story? Okay, I'll show you. I was out at school and I bumped into a girl in the hallway. She said she was really sorry about it, and then ran away because she said, I don't know, she just ran away. And she left a gym, a very pretty gym. Then I said, hey, you forgot your gym. But she was already gone. So I decided to just take it home and give it to her back to her the next day. That night, I got woken up by my pet, Casey. She's a bee. She stung me to wake me up. I said, what is it, Casey? And she started talking to me in English. I could understand her. Hey, look, I need to talk to you about something. I was so confused and scared. Then she said that the gym I had was magic. And I was so surprised. I couldn't believe it. And she just said that the gym would give you superpowers. And I asked what kind of superpowers. And she just said superpowers. Whatever, superpowers. And she also said that when I woke up, I would have some kind of superpower. So I went back to bed, hoping that I would get a cool superpower in the morning. Wondering if this was a dream. You know what? I'm not gonna narrate this story anymore. You guys can figure out what's going on by yourselves. See ya. Ugh. Come on, Zachary. We gotta get to school, or we're gonna be late. Now, come on. We gotta go eat breakfast. Just a second, Jonathan. Now, what superpower do I have? Telekinesis? How? Flight? No. Fire? No. I'll just figure it out as I go. I better give this gym back to that girl. Oh, I'm so sorry, boys. I'm not trying to starve you, but, I slept in a few minutes today, and we have no time for breakfast. Come on, just get in the car. What's a hold up? Mom, I think the road's blocked. Do you think we should turn around? Well, of course. I need to put my backpack up and find that girl. You again? Seriously? I keep bumping into you every day. McKenna, please, just watch where you're going. Excuse me, watch where you're going. Fine, I will. Not like there already was or something. Oh, shut up. Excuse me? Huh?